G front load washer. Troubleshooting detergent issues. Detergent issues can cause many problems with your GE front load washer. Understanding the common detergent problems will help you maintain your machine better. Below, we will address the most frequent issues related to detergent usage. Too much detergent. Using too much detergent can lead to several problems. Excessive detergent can create too many suds, causing overflow and poor rinsing. Your clothes may feel sticky and look dull. Measure detergent according to the load size. Check the detergent's instructions for the recommended amount. Consider using high-efficiency HE detergent for better results. Wrong type of detergent. Using the wrong type of detergent can affect your washer's performance. High-efficiency washers need HE detergent. Regular detergent produces too many suds, leading to poor cleaning and potential damage. Always use HE detergent for front-load washers. Read the labels to ensure you have the correct type. If you have used the wrong type, run a cleaning cycle to clear the excess suds. Avoiding these common detergent issues can help keep your GE front-load washer running smoothly. Simple steps can make a big difference in the machine's performance.